Hey everyone! Today we're looking at another Martin fixture, the Mac Viper. During my tech process I found one with a cracked lamp holder, which can be dangerous for a couple of reasons. If the lamp isn't seated correctly, it could potentially explode or set on fire. So I'm going to rip this Viper apart and replace the lamp housing. Let's head into the shop. For this project, you're going to need a set of Torx screwdrivers or Torx bits. First things first, we're going to remove the head covers. Next, there are 4 screws that hold the lamp housing to the bottom of the fixture. Remove these screws. Be careful when you're separating the 2 parts of the fixture. The lamp wires run from the bottom of the fixture to the top of the arm. So set the lamp housing down carefully onto the table. Next, I'm going to disassemble everything in the lamp housing. The frame, vents, and all of these other pieces are coming out. With the lamp holder fully free, we're going to trace the lamp wires to the top of the arm into the igniter. In order to access the igniter, we're going to need to remove the focus module. There's 4 screws that hold this module on, and you're going to need to loosen the gobo module underneath it in order to actually get it up and off of the fixture. With the focus module removed, we can remove the igniter and replace it. Got my new one, not broken. Let's get it reinstalled. Replace the igniter and trace the lamp wires down the same path. Install your new lamp holder. With the new lamp holder in, you can reinstall all of the lamp housing pieces. With the lamp housing reassembled, we can attach it to the rest of the fixture. Now it's time to reattach your focus module. Be sure to reattach all your bus connections as well. Here, you'll see I zip tie all of the bus harnesses back to the frame of the fixture. With the harnesses in the arm, ensure that the wires are up and out of the way so you can reinstall your filter. Once you connect these buses, reinstall your filters. You can now reinstall your lamp, power up your fixture, and check for errors.
Booted up, no errors.
So after checking for errors and ensuring that the lamp strikes, I retech the fixture before I put it back on the shelf. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and be sure to subscribe.